Y'all remember Play-Doh? Yup, I got me some. With these colors combined, you could pretty much summon Captain Planet. Ain't that right, Theo? Man, I ain't worthless, bro. Crazy. I legit haven't opened up a jar of this since I was like 6, 7. Bro, what? Yup. Still smell like Kmart. Man, I'm about to make something. You guys remember Gumby?
He was once a little green slab of clay.
It's actually a little bit harder to work with than I remember. Yo, this is not bad, bro. See if he can stand up. Here we go. Yeah, not too bad, man. W Play-Doh. Still fun to use. 10 out of 10.